guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time your girl upload a video. Make sure you like, share, comment down below. So as y'all can see, we are back in my kitchen again because okay y'all, so today is day 14 of Vlogtober. I'm so happy we made it this far, so happy. But today, as you guys can see from the title, today we are going to be making a pumpkin spice muffin. Okay, we're gonna be making a pumpkin spice muffin. I'm not really a baker. I don't really bake like that, but yeah, we're gonna bake today. I got this recipe and stuff from this girl that I saw on YouTube. So, and it's like a vegan pumpkin muffin. We're not vegan, but there are certain things that my husband can't eat, like dairy and stuff like that, so we usually just go like the vegan route because it works better with his body. So enough of me rambling, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients and everything like that, and then we're just gonna get to mixing and put it in the oven. And okay, we are going to mix our brown sugar. This is basically going to be our wet ingredients. I grinded down my sugar and made it into powder because it was like hard and stuff like that. And then I went in with my pumpkin puree, my non-dairy milk, my oil. The recipe said to use vegetable oil, but I use sunflower oil, some applesauce. And then you're going to mix that together. Mix it until it is smooth, no lumps. And then we're going to go on to our dry ingredients. In a different bowl, we are going to mix our all-purpose flour. I sifted my flour with my strainer. I went in with some baking powder, some cinnamon, nutmeg, and some ginger. After I made this muffin, I realized that it wasn't enough spice, so you guys don't have to follow this recipe because it tastes good, but it definitely needed more spice. So I would just say add more if you want it to really taste like the pumpkin spiced. Yeah, so I ended up just whisking that together, mixed everything all up, whisk it together, and then I added the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together, and I kind of just mixed it until it became smooth and turned into like a batter. So I had some shelled pistachios and some almonds. So I went ahead and just took the shell off of the pistachio, and then I kind of just chopped them up, I guess into smaller pieces. I did that with the almonds because you guys going to see I ended up using it, and I sprinkled it on top of the muffins to give it like that nuts on top. But you can use any nuts that you have. If you have cashews, peanuts, whatever you choose to use, you can do so. Okay, y'all, so I didn't have any cupcake paper, so I ended up just using wax paper that I made into my own cupcake paper. Y'all don't be like me. Go to the store and get you some cupcake paper. It will save you so much time. Okay, so anyways, I ended up just putting my mix inside of my cups that I made. I ended up putting the mix inside of the cups. I was able to get 12 muffins out of it. So yeah, keep that in mind. So I ended up getting 12, and then after I put in the mixture, I ended up sprinkling the nuts on top, and I preheated my oven at 375, and then I left the muffins in there for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you can use a toothpick to see if it is done, and if it's done, then you guys can take it out and enjoy. So this is what it looks like fresh out the oven. So once you take it out, you want to put it on a plate, a tray, a pan, or something to kind of let it cool. And then you can come back and eat and enjoy. Hey y'all, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy baking with me. I think they turned out pretty good. Yeah, I'm about to go devour one right now, and I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.